Create high quality content for your Instagram page. In this video, we'll give you 2 main ways on how you can create high quality content for your Instagram page. It can be pictures, videos, reels, stories, IGTV, whatever you want. So by doing that, you will be sure that you have high quality content and more people will follow your page, you will increase your engagement and you will get more followers. So as I said before, there are 2 main ways on how you can create high quality content for Instagram. The first one is the professional one, the paid one, by using Photoshop and Adobe Premiere. The second one is for free using Canva.com. Those platforms, those softwares are made to create content. Canva, it's completely free. You can have a subscription if you want something more, but Photoshop and Adobe Premiere, they are paid. They are software that you need to pay a monthly or yearly subscription. But it's not very important which software do you use, but it's important the type of content, because the content is king. Yes, on Instagram you can grow with other strategies, you can grow by doing follow and follow, you can grow by using ads, but the main way on how you can grow and blow up your Instagram account by going to the explore page is through viral content. And as you can see on Instagram, a lot of viral content is made up. It's not just a simple video doing something, but it's a video maybe with a text, maybe with a red circle, maybe with some animation and something like that. And by doing this, you will have more chances to go viral because people find more interesting those type of videos or images or reels or whatever you want. So the first way is to go on Photoshop and start creating something from scratch. Just take a picture, take an image into your Photoshop software and then start adding text, start adding color, start adding effects, whatever you want. But just make sure to be professional. Make sure to create something interesting, something eye-catch. In order to create high quality content on Photoshop, you just need to go in your phone and open your Instagram app. Then go on the explore page. Exactly here you will see a ton of content that is going viral, and if you watch the explore page of other people in other accounts, you will see that they have similar content. They probably will have 3 to 5 same picture, because this is viral content, is content in the explore page that is going out in front of millions of people. And if you are able to get there by creating amazing content, your page will grow really fast. But as I said before, go on the explore page and take a look on what is working right now, because if you see a ton of car picture into your explore page and those car picture are made maybe with tuning cars or just some type of brands or just supercars, okay, you can go on Instagram and download or screenshot those pictures and then put them on Photoshop, because on Instagram you can download and reshare the content. But if there is a red Lambo in front of a house, you can change the color, you can make the Lambo blue or green in front of the same house. Or on Photoshop you can simply remove the background and change the house on the background. So now you have maybe a red Lambo in front of a white house. Right now you can have a blue Lambo in front of a black house, and you can see that the scheme, the idea of the post is the same, so you will have incredible chances to go viral and to go in the explore page, but it's different. So you are not copying, you are not stealing content from other people, but you are creating your own version. And the same thing you can do it with Premiere. You download the video from Instagram and then you upload on the software, you add effects, you add text, you add images in order to make that video really eye-catching. But then we have the free version using Canva.com, and on this software you can go and sign up for completely free, and there you can create a simply image, a white blank image, and then you start creating, for example, some models, some collage, some elements, you add for example a frame, you add for example a sticker, whatever you want, but it's very simple and you can create amazing content. And even if you want to create videos, you can go there, create videos, add animation, add text and add everything. But the strategy here is the same. You also need to go on Instagram on the Explore page and watch for successful content, winning content, content that people like, that they comment on, that they share, and by doing that you can create your own version. Because let's say for example that now there is a quote on Instagram and you see maybe the best advice that you can get into your life is just your experience, for example something like that, and you can recreate your own quote on Canva by changing the font, changing the color, changing the background picture and maybe add some animations. And by doing that, as you can see, is the same idea of the winning content, but it's different. So as I said before, you are not stealing content, you will not get copyright issues. And then you start posting this type of content on your page and you will see that people will really appreciate this high quality content and they will share and you will get more and more followers. And my main advice on which type of content create is to create Reels, Instagram Reels, because right now Reels, it's a new feature on Instagram that it's very similar to TikTok, and it was made so people stay on Instagram and watch videos on Instagram and they don't leave the platform, because if they go on TikTok, Instagram is losing users. So Instagram pretty much promote those type of videos because it's something that they want that people use. So if you use an Instagram Reel, you will get the double or the triple or the quadruple of views that you will get as a normal video. So my advice to you is to create a really interesting and engaging Instagram Reels video by using the platform canva.com. And by doing that, you can simply add text, you can add animation, you can do something really different and crazy compared to other people. And here you will see that Instagram will boost your content and you will get a ton of views by reaching the Explore page. But remember that this is a long-term game. It's not something that you start today and tomorrow you will be in the Explore page and you will go from 0 to 1 million. Yes, it can happen, but it doesn't happen often. So my advice to you is to create a calendar content, create a schedule that, for example, every day you post a new piece of content, and then from there you start tracking your numbers, sees which type of content goes better, and growing everything using Instagram Reels. And even if you want to grow more, you can use ads on Instagram. You can just spend $5, $10, $15, $20 per post and show the post to the target audience. Because let's say for example that you have a dog page and you have created dog videos, dog picture, you can simply promote that dog page to people that like dogs, and by doing that you can grow exponentially your page just by investing a little amount of money. And right now it is very important, because if you have really great content, people will see the content on the ad, they will like, and then they will share it. So maybe you spend $10 and 1,000 people sees your content, but then a piece of those people will share the content, and maybe with just $10 you have 1,800 people that sees your content. And by doing that is one of the best way on how you can grow your Instagram, but just only if you create high quality content. And if you want to get your Instagram verified with that blue tick on your page, watch this next video right here where I show you exactly how to get verified on Instagram for free. I see you there.